Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I decided to make something healthy. We are making Italian vegetable ragu. This stew is perfect, hearty yet healthful, guilt-free comfort food that is loaded with goodness. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. So let's get right into the ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 3 sliced zucchini, 1 chopped onion, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, 1 can garbanzo beans, 1 can diced tomatoes, and vegetable broth. First things first, we are going to deskin the chickpeas, drain the aquafaba, transfer them into a bowl, run the tap. Once you have filled the water halfway through, rub the chickpeas vigorously between your hands. The skin will fall off and rinse away. We're gonna repeat this process 3 times. Chickpea shelling makes for easier digestion. That's why I do it. So let's move on, guys. Now we're gonna saute our onions and zucchini. Let me say maybe for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add chickpeas along with tomatoes. In goes salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and garlic powder. Then I'm gonna give it a good stir. Just like so, guys. Next, we're gonna pour the vegetable stock, then cover and reduce heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until most of liquid evaporates. Give it a last stir and it's ready to be served. There you have it, guys, Italian vegetable ragu. If you enjoyed this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.